In the age of technology, upgrading your home doesn't have to strain your wallet. With an array of smart home gadgets available, you can transform your living space into a modern, connected environment. Today, we explore 5 innovative devices, each priced under $50, that can enhance your daily life with convenience and security. First on our list is the Smart Plug. Imagine the ability to control your appliances with just a tap on your smartphone or through voice commands. These plugs allow you to remotely turn off that lamp you left on or schedule your coffee maker to start brewing in the morning, ensuring you wake up to the delightful aroma of fresh coffee. Its versatility makes it an absolute must-have for anyone looking to simplify their routine and save energy. Next, let's shed some light on smart bulbs. With the capability to adjust brightness and color, these bulbs can set the perfect mood for any occasion. Whether you'd like a bright white light for a productive work session or a soft, warm glow for a cozy night in, a simple command through an app or your smart assistant changes everything. Imagine hosting friends and being able to create a vibrant atmosphere with just your voice or fingertips. As we move into security, smart motion sensors become pivotal. These devices not only keep your home safe by triggering alerts when motion is detected, but can also automate your lighting. Picture this. As you return home at night, the motion sensor activates your porch lights, guiding you with a warm glow. It's the perfect fusion of convenience and safety, giving you peace of mind whenever you're away. Then there are affordable security cameras, offering an extra layer of protection. With high-definition feeds accessible from your smartphone, you can monitor your home in real time, no matter where you are. Whether you're on vacation or simply at work, knowing you can check in on your property at any time is invaluable. The image clarity combined with motion alerts ensures you never miss a thing, giving you greater control over your environment. Finally, smart door sensors are essential for those who prioritize security. These devices alert you whenever a door or window is opened, keeping an eye on your entrances at all times. Imagine receiving a notification while away from home, allowing you to act immediately if something seems amiss. Each of these smart gadgets represents not just convenience, but also a significant step towards a safer, smarter home. In conclusion, the world of smart home technology is not as far or expensive as it may seem. With just a few affordable gadgets, you can enhance both the comfort and security of your home. Which of these gadgets catches your attention? Explore the options and elevate your smart living experience today.